Welcome everybody. I have worked on the project quite a bit. I believe I already mentioned that I created 2 doors. I have successfully put on the roof. It's looking good. I'm gonna seal it. I actually, small note, ran out of these boards. So originally when I got them, I got just the right amount for the floor. And just a slightly bit more than that. But now we ended up using it for the roof, these deck flooring boards, and I didn't have enough because we have overhang. And so because of the 2-inch overhang on each side, around that, we ran out. And so I luckily enough had this slightly different color, but still another deck flooring board, and slightly too small, but it does the cut, that's for sure. And so that it works perfectly. I also finished this, and so that's all finished, nice and solid too, and that's awesome. I also added this little tiny notch here, just to add for weight bearing, just in case ice builds up and slides down there. But it's pretty stuck on there. It's a nice piece of wood. It actually works out that was a newer piece of wood, I think, and so it's pretty strong, so it'll be good for weight bearing, and so that's good. So now I am going to prepare the roof in between the cracks and seal it. And then I think I'll be working on the 2 doors. And so that's quite exciting. Okay guys, so I have built the door frames. I just need to screw it on properly and we'll be good to go there. Quite excited. I cleaned in between the cracks of the roof so I can put right kind of sealant on it to protect from rain going down it. And yeah, we'll see what I do next after that. So I'm about to work on the recycling bin platform and get that fixed up. I finished the roof. As you can see here, we have a 10-foot drip, I forget the name too, but drip thing. And so that's going around, so 2-inch on each side, 2x2. And so we might as well use it for the side a bit, so we did that. Sealed all of the in between the deck boards for the roof. I think it's a pretty good way of recycling and reusing, so that's pretty good. Looking forward to seeing how that works in the winter time. And let's see. Yeah, I got all the doors working, and so that's good. Proud of that. And so yeah, let's get to building the platform. Okay, now that the platform is done, it's looking pretty good, if I say so myself. I have it back a little bit. Let's see, as you can see here, maybe not, but I have it kind of back a bit, and then I also have this little platform going along it to keep it stable, and this also is back a bit so that there is more easy access to putting something in there. As if it was right here, then you would have even less room, and so this will make it so you don't have to really open it or pull it out too far and still be able to put something in there. There's plenty of space, works really well. As you can see there, the space behind it, and yeah, I think it came out very, very well for everything. Just plenty of space for the garbage and for the organics bin, Definitely move that around. This definitely rolls fine. Has breathability through the base, which is good too. Yeah, I'm just really proud of it all. Have a nice rain drip thing at the bottom just in case to help with rain flow, but shouldn't be a problem. There's lots of breathability as well. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button so that you can follow along with the future videos and DIY projects that I work on. I'm quite proud of this one, and there is the other parts coming out quite soon, so keep an eye out for that.